Have you ever wondered how prosthetics are made for movies and TV shows? Yes, I'm talking about the ones that turn actors into monsters, creatures, or historical figures even. Makeup and prosthetics teams work so hard to make things as realistic as possible. But we never really truly appreciate their work as much as we should, right? At least I rarely think about the makeup after seeing a movie. So get ready, because this video is going to give you an idea about how they do things. The blue gooey material he's using there is body silicone. Don't worry, it's safe to use on body and face. This technique is called life casting. As you can see, it's basically for creating a copy of the body. Oh, are they going to apply that stuff to her face, too? Vaseline is protecting the face, I guess. Or is it so that it doesn't stick? Wait, is there such a possibility? Oh my gosh, why did she agree to do this then? Did they apply Vaseline to her body, too? Did I miss that? I don't know what I would do if my mouth was covered with that. 'Cause you know, if I'm not allowed to talk, all I want to do is talk. I'm known as the rebellious one among my friends. The process of life casting is not done yet, by the way. He's gonna cover her with gypsum bandage now. I wonder how long this whole thing takes from start to finish. And I guess she's not supposed to move during the whole thing. No need to call the police. This is not abduction. This is art. I really can't wait to see how they're going to remove that. At least she's able to breathe. I bet she can't wait to be freed from it. Yay! Finally! He's cleaning it to make sure that there aren't any dust particles or something like that. As you can see, this is a great method to copy the exact form of the body. Next step is to pour liquid plastic in that silicone mold. Make sure to distribute it evenly, but you need to do it fast before the liquid solidifies. Using a brush will make things easier for you. It's amazing to watch how it hardens. Now we need to apply a second coat. You need to make sure that there is nowhere left that is not covered with liquid plastic. It's almost ready. Removing the cast is going to be as easy as peeling a banana. Oh wow, this looks like it belongs to the Louvre Museum. It's definitely giving me some Renaissance vibes. It's also super amazing how it has all the details. You can even see the skin texture and everything. Hey, I have an idea. Now that you know this technique, you can build your very own hall of sculptures. Now we're gonna create another one. We have a male model this time. I can tell you that the final product is gonna be more of a modern art piece. The process is similar. She's gonna apply body silicone first. The key here is to apply as much as you can and cover everywhere. This is gonna take quite a while though, just so you know. I hope they didn't forget to apply Vaseline for this too. 'Cause you know, you gotta prepare your model and all that. Don't worry, we're gonna fast forward the process. This step is almost over now. What comes next is covering the body silicone with gypsum bandage. I feel like it should be fun doing that. As you can see, she makes sure to stretch the bandage before placing it, so that it's as easy as possible to demold the cast at the end. I feel like this is turning out to be quite the exercise for her. She is working those arms. I can hear you say, but she is not doing any exercise. Before moving on to the next step, she is making sure that there is no dust or any other particle on the surface. Then, it's time to pour liquid plastic in there. Hey, make sure not to use a makeup brush for this. I bet this is the most fun part. Plus, you don't need to get your hands dirty for it. Make sure you don't miss a spot. I can't stress that enough. And you gotta enjoy the process, you know? I'm pretty sure this is a very calming activity. You know, like knitting or something. You need to keep that brush moving until the liquid plastic solidifies. Hey, it's very calming to watch it too. Okay, it's almost done. Ah, it's perfect. This is going to be the most fun part. All you need to do is to get creative and let your imagination run wild and free. Hey, you're free to choose any color you want for this process. Wow, the gold color really pops. How about drawing some tattoos on there? Again, your imagination is your limit. This is your design. As you can see, we've created two very different sculptures with the same method. This one belongs to the Museum of Modern Art in New York, rather than the Louvre Museum. What do you say? Let us know in the comments below. This is surely going to be a topic of conversation when your friends visit your place. Hey, you need to see this one. She's wearing a cap this time, so what do you think is going to happen? You're right, he's gonna create a cast of her head. Should I be worried? I'm kinda worried. I guess this is one way to have a fake bald head. I guess with this process, he's making sure that the cap doesn't move. Is that glue? Oh well, the eyelashes she carefully glued there are gone now. And her makeup is removed. All the things we do for art. I bet Mona Lisa had it easier than her. Okay, I gotta say I'm glad to see the Vaseline application before this. He took his time with it to keep her healthy and safe. Then comes the goop application. This kinda looks like he's covering a cake with icing. But he's covering a head with body silicone. I'm starting to get nervous about this. Oh, this reminds me of Venom. You know, Spider-Man's nemesis, the alien symbiote. This is getting scarier each second. I don't think she's comfortable there, at all. Oh, they're gonna leave the nostrils though. I wonder if the silicone mold also has face mask effects. Like, does it clean the pores or something like that? Will her skin be soft and bright? 'Cause if so, I would like to be the next. At least she can still see. Oh, I spoke too soon, I guess. If I was there, I would be terrified, thinking about all the worst-case scenarios of what will happen to my eyes. Now it's gypsum bandage time again. Don't you think this kinda looks like a mummification process? Like she can go out now and audition for a mummy role, right? Now he's gonna do the same thing for the front of the head. Hey, maybe she would wait until this part is done as well to audition for that mummy role. It's extremely important not to cover the nose, by the way. Now we're gonna crack open the mold, so to speak. He's gonna have to be very careful not to break it. Hey, it's as if he's taking her mask off. Her head must already feel lighter now. I bet it's gonna feel so great once everything is off. I wonder for how long she had to sit there with her head covered. It's time to free her for good. I have so much respect for her for agreeing to do this. We're gonna place the silicone mold back in there so that it doesn't move once we pour the liquid silicone. The blue tape is gonna keep those pieces intact. And after that, our mold is gonna be ready for the next step. Make sure you have enough amount of liquid plastic before pouring it in there. You're gonna have to move the head to get the liquid all over its inner surface. I think it must be quite fun to do that. Then it's time to wait until it solidifies. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the moment we've all been waiting for. I'm very excited to see what it's gonna look like. You're allowed to destroy the silicone now. It's like tearing the gift wrap of a gift box. What? This is amazing! This guy is a life casting wizard. The details are unbelievable. Even the pores are visible. Hey, if you want to see how to create more awesome stuff, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
We say we love, we say we love. We gave it all, we gave it all. We say we love, we say we love. But we were just innocent until something better came along. As soon as we wake up, promise you the world tonight, show you what I've got. Your body speaks my language and you read me like a book. This night means forever and so does me and you. We say we love, we say we love. We gave it all, we gave it all. Until something better came along.